What is Walgreens doing, guys? I feel like Walgreens trying to bamboozle us this week. That is because we got our PG spend offer like a week early. We usually get it the first week of the month if we're gonna get one, and it's showing up in the ad for this week. And I feel like if you're like me, you've used all your PG coupons already for the month, right? Because those usually align. New PG coupons, new promotion. What are you doing, Walgreens? Like, if you're gonna skip Walgreens and don't have register rewards expiring, this is a week to skip it, to be quite honest. Now, I'm not gonna lie, some of my deals are gonna be repeats because I do have register rewards to use up, but I'm also gonna be sharing some deals just in case you do have register rewards that you need to do. So there is a printable breakdown just in case you do need to check it out. Otherwise, without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Alright guys, this deal is definitely a repeat deal, and it's been around for a long time, but it's on Gillette and Venus non-disposable razors. They're not tagged, but they're on promotion for buy two, get $8 in register rewards. The first product I'm going to grab is this extra smooth razor for $9.99. You can grab this one, or they have, I think this one also works. If your store has this pink one, this one also works. Then you're going to come grab a men's razor for $9.99. We have the Gillette Mach 3 one, or there's a Gillette Fusion one that works. As you can tell, both of them are sold out at my store. But if you were to grab two of them, your total will be $19.98. We have a $5 digital coupon that works on both, and then there's a $3 digital coupon that should work on either one. So we'll take off $8 in total. You'll be left to pay $11.98 at the register. Get the $8 register reward for buying two, making them $3.98 for both. Another razor deal is on the Gillette Venus non-disposable razors. They're on promotion for spend $15, get $5 in register rewards, and they're buy one get one 50% off. So the first way I'm gonna be doing this deal is to grab two of the Gillette foamy shave gels. These are $3.99. Then I'm going to be grabbing two of these Gillette Sensor 3 razors. They are $7.99. So the way Walgreens works is for the buy one get one 50% off, or buy one X amount. They group like products together. So this one will be 50% off, and out of these two, this one will be 50% off. So grabbing all four products, my total will be $17.96. Now I have only for you coupons to use, but I noticed in the past a lot of people get the same coupons because we all buy the same stuff. So we have a $3 off of two only for you coupon and a $5 only for you coupon. I believe there are $3 digital coupons for the razors if you don't have these. But otherwise, I'll be left to pay $9.96 at the register. I'll get the $5 register reward for spending $15. Make them $4.96 for all four products. Alright, so here's a couple of rundown on body wash deals. If you haven't done them yet or need to like I said, have register rewards that are expiring, these are great ways to roll them into different deals. So Old Spice is on promotion for Old Spice, and Olay products are on promotion for buy three, get $5 in register rewards. They're $8. Grab three of the Old Spice for a total of $24. We have a $5 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $19 at the register. Get a $5 register reward for buying three of them, making them $14 for all three. Or you can come down and grab the Axe body wash. They're on promotion for buy one get one 50% off. There's no Walgreens cash or register rewards coming back with this deal, so you'll grab two of them at $5.99. One of them will be full price. One of them will be 50% off. So your total will be $8.98. Use a $5 digital coupon. It makes them $3.98 for both. Or the last deal is on the Nivea Men. They're on promotion for buy two, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and they're $5. Unfortunately, there's no digital coupons, so you'll grab two of them for $10, and you'll have to pay that at the register. But we'll get the $5 in Walgreens cash for buying two, make them $5 for both. Tresemme Hair Care is on promotion for buy two, get $3 in register rewards, and they're $6. You'll grab two of them for a total of $12 for the shampoo or conditioners. We do have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $8 at the register, but we'll give the $3 register reward for buying 2, make them $5 for both. We have okay savings on Pantene, so the deal is buy 2, get $1 register reward. They're $5.49. You'll grab 2 of your favorite ones for a total of $10.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon, so you pay $6.98 at the register, get the $1 register reward for buying 2, making them $5.98 for both. And the last deal is a repeat deal as well. So it's on the Dove hair care. They're on promotion for buy 2, get $4 register reward. They're $5 even. Grab your 2 favorite ones for a total of $10. We do have a $4 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $6 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 per bottle. This is a repeat deal from last week, but I didn't do it, so I'm going to mention it, and I'm probably going to do it this week. But select Colgate products are on promotion for buy 2, get $5 in register rewards, and they're $5.50. So you're going to grab 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste. Your total will be $11. We have a $3 digital coupon for one, and a $2 digital coupon for the other one. You'll be left to pay $6 at the register. Get the $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both. We have a really good deal on Finish Powerball this week. They're on sale for $4.99. There's no register rewards or Walgreens cash, but this one is the one with 3 extra ones. But $4.99, and there's a $2 digital coupon, making it just $2.99. Or if you prefer, you can grab the Finish Jet Dry for the $4.99 price and use that $2 digital coupon there. This week we have a really good savings on Cascade, Dawn, Swiffer, Febreze products. They're on sale for buy 2, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $9.99. So the first product you're going to grab is this Swiffer Wet Jet. This is the 15 count. Next you're going to come grab this massive Dawn Platinum for $9.99. This is the 2.12 quart. So for example, these would be the 2 products you would grab. Your total will be $19.98. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn and a $2 digital coupon for the Swiffer. You'll be left to pay $15.98 at the register. Get the $4 register reward for buying 2, making them $11.98 for both. Instead of one of the products, you can grab the Febreze twin packs a refill instead. There's unfortunately just no digital coupons for these. I just want to give a friendly reminder about this deal. I'm not going to put a scenario together, but select products. When you buy 4, you'll get $2 in register rewards, and it's like Bounce, Gain, Ariel, Cascade, Dawn. There's a lot of products in this list, and they're $4.99. So if you wanted to do laundry products only, you can look through your dollar or your digital coupons for the dollar digital coupons, because those are the ones that attach to the small things. Like the Gain Flings has one, I know. The Gain Liquid has one. I don't think the Tide products have any. Maybe I didn't clip them. I think we have some scent booster ones too. So like I said, just definitely check your account to see what you got. This week, small and medium trash bags are buy 1, get 2 free. So you can grab the small or medium ones if your store has any of them. A total of 3 of them for just $4.99. We have an okay deal on Angel Soft. This is our normal promotion. They're on promotion for buy 3, get $3 in register rewards. They're 2 for $9 on sale. So you'll grab a total of 3 of the 6 equals 24 mega rolls. Grabbing a total of 3 of them will be $13.50. We do have $1.50 off a free digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $12 at the register. Get the $3 register reward for buying 3, making them $9 for all 3. So I kind of like this deal. It's more expensive for soda, but all 12 packs of soda are buy 2, get 2 free, so it'll be $23.98. What I like though is you can mix and match between all 3 brands. So if you want 1 Pepsi product, you can grab 1, 2 Dr. Peppers, and 1 Coke product. I kind of like it when they do that, because if you're trying to buy for more than yourself, and more than yourself likes a specific brand. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I did 3 easy deals. Like I said, I only really came because I have register rewards that did expire today. So I grabbed the Axe body wash, Colgate, and Dove. So You can see the Axe body wash. This one is the 50% off, the 2 Colgate, the 2 Dove, and then the full price Axe. So I had a $5, a $5, and a $3 register reward that I was rolling today. Then for digital coupons, we have the $5 for the Axe body wash. We have a $4 for the Dove hair care, a $3 for one of the Colgate products, and then a $2 for the other Colgate products. So all the digital coupons came off perfectly fine. I swiped my card for $2.98. I didn't have a spend booster again this week. I forget how many weeks in a row that is, but it's been quite some time. But then for register rewards, I did get the $5 register reward for buying the 2 Colgate. And then I did receive the $4 register reward for buying the 2 Dove. So that's perfect. So I have register rewards to work with next week, or Walgreens cash. I also kind of looked around for the PG spend deals for like the placard for inside the store, and I didn't see any. I mean, I saw tons of old ones because my store just leaves the old ones up, but I didn't see any new ones. So I don't know if that deal is actually in store or not. That might be online only. A lot of these deals you can do online for Walgreens cash this week that work with that. I know for sure both the Gillette razor deals that I mentioned are part of that deal that you can do for that. The Swiffer laundry deal, or like the Swiffer and Dawn one, can work for that. I'm pretty sure that's PG. Or the laundry deal with like the Gain and the Tide, the small ones, or you can grab medium ones. I know there's $3 coupons for the medium Gains, or the larger ones, depending on what you want to call them. But otherwise, this might be a pass week, and that's okay. Not every week we have to run out and stock up on things. But don't let your register rewards expire. That's throwing money away, right? Even though it's Walgreens money, it's kind of your money that you've already spent, that you planned on saving. So if you throw it away, you're just already like not saving that money. If that I don't know, that doesn't really make sense, but to me it does. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys can save some money and grab a couple deals if you need to. Otherwise, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.